Hello, I am Chavan Nikita. Today's my topic is cell. Cell is the basic structural unit of a life. All organisms, all living organisms made by the cell. The cell is the basic fundamental unit of life. They make fundamental unit of life. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke in 1665. He observed cell in a small room. The structure of cells, the detail of cell has been studied under compound microscope and electron microscopes. Two types of cells: animal cells and plant cells. The main difference between animal cells and plant cells: in plant cell, chloroplast and a cell wall is present, and in animal cells absent the cell wall and chloroplast. The structure of cells is cell membrane, nucleus, cytoplasm. In cytoplasm, cytosol and cell organelles. In cell organelles present a nucleus, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, lysosomes, vacuoles, mitochondria, plastids, centrioles, cytosols. Cell membrane is made of cell membrane means plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is selectively permeable membrane. Cell is extremely delicate, thin, elastic, living and semi-permeable membrane made up of two layers. Its function is maintain shape and size of cells to protect the internal and external content. They regulate entry to exist of substance in out of the cell, maintains homeostasis. The cell wall is a non-living and outermost covering of cells. It's present in plant and bacteria. It can be tough, rigid, and sometimes sometimes flexible, made up of cellulose, hemicellulose, and pectin. Maybe thin and thick, multi-layered structure. Function is provide definite shape and structure and rigidity. The prevent drying up of cells, help in controlling cell expansions. Second organ is the nucleus. Nucleus is the dense spherical body located near the center of the cell. Diameter is varies from 10 to 25 micrometer. Present in all cells except red blood cells and CV tube cells. Well developed in plant and animals, undeveloped in bacteria and blue-green algae. Most cells is controlled by a nucleus. Nucleus has a double layer covering called as a nuclear membrane. A nuclear membrane has a pores of a diameter about 80 to 100 nanometer. Then function of a nucleus: control control cell activities like metabolism, protein synthesis, growth and cell divisions. Also nucleus synthesize ribonucleic acids to constitute ribosomes. Second is the cytoplasm. Cytoplasm is a jelly-like structure formed by 80% of water, and the nucleus, the cytosol, various particles, also contain many organelles with structure and functions. Endoplasmic reticulum. Some parts are connected to the nuclear membrane, while others are connected to the cell. Function is gives internal support to the cytoplasm. RER synthesis, synthesis and proteins, membrane proteins. Second is Golgi body. Golgi body is formed by stacks of 5 to 8 membrane sacs the cis phase. The function of Golgi apparatus is modified and stores packed material synthesized in the cells. The function of the cells is the provide transmission of substance and materials, and give the support to support and structure of the organisms. Thank you.